Navigating the Excel tutorial maze. The internet is a maze of Excel tutorials. How do you find your way? Imagine standing at the entrance of a labyrinth, armed only with a burning desire to learn Excel. You take a step forward, and the journey begins. The path is strewn with tutorials, guides, and videos. It's easy to get lost, but don't despair. Let's uncover the secrets to navigate this Excel tutorial maze. First off, remember that the quality of content trumps quantity. You might find a tutorial with 100 lessons, but if they are not well structured or relevant, it's as good as none. Look for resources that focus on practical application rather than theoretical knowledge. After all, the best way to learn Excel is by doing. Secondly, don't get drawn into the allure of free content. While there's plenty of it, not all free content is created equal. Some might be outdated, others might be too complex or too basic. It's important to find a tutorial that matches your current skill level and grows with you. Thirdly, always keep an eye out for structured learning. Learning Excel is like building a house. You start with a foundation, build the walls, and then move on to the roof. It's the same with Excel. You start with the basics, move on to intermediate level, and then tackle the advanced stuff. Structured learning ensures that you're building your Excel skills in a logical and efficient manner. Fourthly, stay updated with new Excel features. Excel is constantly evolving, with Microsoft regularly releasing new features and updates. Make sure your chosen tutorial is up to date and incorporates these new features in the lessons. Finally, don't forget to validate the source. Check the credentials of the person or organization providing the tutorial. Are they experts in the field? Do they have positive reviews? Remember, not all that glitters is gold. Choose your learning resources wisely. As you continue your journey through the Excel tutorial maze, keep these tips in mind. They'll help you sift through the overwhelming content and lead you to the treasure that is quality Excel learning.